Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you this Legend StabiliGrip floor installed here in our Ford Transit cargo van. This happens to be a 148-inch regular wheelbase. It's not that extended version. And this is a rigid floor. It's about a ½ an inch thick, and it is a super anti-slip surface. It almost has like a sandpapery feel to it. And the great thing about this is that most floors, when they get wet, they lose about 80% of their grip. Now this one, when it gets wet, it only loses about 20%, so it's gonna be super grippy even with those wet shoes, wet boots. This is a 3-piece install. Again, this is for a 148-inch regular wheelbase. What I love about the way that they transition between your pieces here is they give you this aluminum H-track right here, and then the edges of the floor are milled, so this is a nice flush surface across. So that's gonna be great for your carts as well as just walking through here, not gonna trip over anything and things like that. Now this is a precision cut floor, so it's gonna go around your wheel wells, go around your little inset step here, all the other little things in the floor that you need to cut around. So you're gonna make sure that you get your wheelbase correct when ordering this floor. There's also some other options in the Ford Transit, like if you've got the Pro Power option on the E-Transit, or you've got a dually, or you've got a OEM trim and some of those other things, dual sliding doors, it's gonna vary or give you a different cut in the floor. So you're trying to make sure that you're choosing all those correct options when you're making your purchase. This is a pretty heavy floor. It's over 100 pounds. And because of that, it stays in place really nicely. Now, the way that they designed the Ford Transit is actually all your cargo rings are on the walls. And so there's no D-rings on the floor. So that makes installation super simple. You really don't have to do anything other than just lay it in place and you're good to go. Now we did add in our steel door sills right here. We have it in a high visibility yellow right here for our inset step, and we also have a high visibility yellow threshold here at the rear door. This floor works nicely with the wheel well covers from Legend. These just slip right over top of those little flanges on those wheel well covers and gives you a nice seamless installation there. This is a great floor for walking around in these high roof vans because they do have ribbing in the vans. If you get some of those rubber floors or those flexible floors, you're gonna feel that ribbing. It's gonna make it difficult for rolling carts or just walking around. So this StabiliGrip floor is nice for these high roof vans. We're gonna do a lot of walking. Maybe we're gonna have a workbench in here, shelving, whatever it may be, just to give you that nice solid surface, anti-slip, anti-trip, and all of that. Now, if you're looking for this StabiliGrip floor or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan. Have a good one.